This week's episode, we're going to drop a shaft.
For a professional now.
So what have we got here, Alex?
This is a Series 1 R33 Skyline that Daryl has generously donated to the channel. We're going to eventually, the idea is to be set off, make the GTS-4, so it's already got four-wheel drive. It's currently just work. It's locked in two-wheel, we think, even though the preferred drive light is always on. What other problems we got? No power steering. That's grinding and carrying us. As you can hear, doesn't sound great. He's pretty shit now. Taking away from that. Luckily, Daryl's got a paint bit flawless ready to go. It's feeling good. Pretty cooked up. Hill rings are disgusting. We're going to get rid of those as soon as we can.
This is just leaking. That's the rack.
That's probably why the power steering sounds like crap.
It's just pouring out of both sides.
Alright, so let's...
I wonder if it just needs to be resealed.
Probably. Yeah, right.
Nice rusty exhaust.
Yeah, we'll chop that off. Gearbox has got a little bit of a leak.
Oh yeah? I reckon a $55 rebuild kit from Just Jap might do it.
Let's try it. What's worse could happen?
Yeah, exactly right. Because it's better than buying a whole new rack. And especially if it's moving fairly well.
Yeah. See if they've got those. Okay. There might be a cheap little thing that you put on that it's done. So, we're going to get a rebuild kit for it. And learn how to rebuild a steering rack.
And see if that fixes it.
Probably won't.
Or if it's proper munted.
Yeah. I think it will. It seems to turn smooth. You can just hear the seal is gone.
Yeah.
So I think we'll have to clean the shaft up, get the shaft right out, clean that up. But again, I have no idea what I'm doing, so we'll...
Should be right. Can't hurt.
Can't hurt.
You can come with us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Done now.
Well, you're superb. Look, I'll get back on the trees for
So Daryl keeps forgetting that we're supposed to be recording all this. I'll bring this over.
The guys, I figured out why it was so tight to get off, because they punch it.
Ah, that makes sense.
You'll see there. They punch it
Did she? Funny.
to fucking hold it in position.
Yeah, right.
And now,
Can you do that?
whoop! It's a boy.
He's right.
We have a squirter. Oh, we actually got it under that.
That feels a bit soft.
Oh, no one's at those two. Anyway.
14.
14.
We really need to stick another camera on here.
Bring the camera over this way, Alex.
Great idea. That's Scott, everyone.
Scott has a Falcon. We didn't do the intro.
What's your intro?
Oh, Boys for Life. On this week's episode, we're going to drop a shaft.
So Daryl's done a great job repainting this. Looks glorious and brand new, except he decided to munt that part. I think that was...
It was a joint effort.
It was a joint effort. We were both... That was when we were clamping it in the vise and trying to get bits out.
Being idiots because we didn't really know what we're doing.
We still don't know what we're doing. As you can tell by the way I'm looking inside this thing. But we've got all our seals here. We're going to try and rebuild this today. Voila.
Masterpiece.
So,
Are we going to try and fit it?
yeah, why not?
Okay.
It'll only take 10 minutes, won't it? Ooh, there she
The
is.
unveiling. Will be on the tip. Just so it just.
Is that supposed to have a screw in there that we don't have?
Yeah, no, that's it. That's after. Otherwise, you can't get it up.
Does it go? Oh yeah, it goes over there.
Yeah. Just pull your yeah. These are
I'll put mine
going to be. Yep, you can do yours. I feel like these are going to be a prick to get in.
Mine's in.
Good work. All right, here. Put this one in. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. So how do we reckon we're going to go, Alex?
I reckon it's gonna come out.
So what we have to do to bleed it, right around one way, right around the other way.
Okay.
Around one way, around the other way. All right, let's see how we go.
No noise. Are the wheels moving? That's full lock, almost. Steering rack is done. Next stop, bumper. See you next time on Big Boys Toys.